Hello children, today we will do some exercise on preposition. You all understood now what is preposition? What are the preposition madam discussed in the previous video? Madam discussed about on, in, under and near. Then once again, before going to the exercise, madam will teach you about this. Okay. Children, see, what is this? This is a box. Then what is this? This is a book. Now madam is putting the book on the box. Then where is the book? The book is on the box. Now see where the book is. The book is in the box. The book is in the box. Now see where the book is. The book is under the box. The book is under the box. Now see where the book is. The book is near the box. The book is near the box. Now you clear about these things now children? Now we will move to our exercise. I prepared some exercise for you about preposition. This one is filling the blanks with in or on. By seeing the picture you have to write it. First one. The plant is dash the pot. Where the plant children? The plant is in the pot. So you have to write here in. Next picture is ball on a chair. See. Number 2. The ball is dash the chair. You first write like that. Then see where madam put the ball. Madam draw a picture of chair here. Then on the chair madam had put a ball there. So where the ball is? The ball is on the chair. You have to write the ball is on the chair. Okay. Then moving to the next one. The spoon is dash the cup. See where the spoon? The spoon is in the cup. So you have to write in here. Okay. The spoon is in the cup. Next one. The cat is dash the mat. See children where the cat is? The cat is sitting on a mat. So what you will write in the blank? You will write on. The cat is on the mat. Then next one is the bee is dash the flower. See where the bee is sitting? The bee is sitting on a flower. Then what you will write here? You will write here on. The bee is on the flower. You have to practice from your English reader, page number 13, 15 and 26. Moving to the next one. That one is also filling the blanks with under or near. The girl is dash the tree. See the children where the girl is standing? The girl is standing under the tree. So you have to write here U-N-D-E-R under. The girl is under the tree. Next one. The ball is dash the bat. Where the ball? The ball is near to the bat. Then what you will write here? You will write near here. Okay. Then the ball is near the bat. The rat is dash the table. See children where the rat? The rat is under the table. So what you have to write here? U-N-D-E-R under. The rat is under the table. Next one. The cup is dash the glass. See children where the glass is? The glass is near the cup. So what you have to write here? You have to write N-E-A-R, near. The cup is near the glass. Children, you should practice from your English reader, page number 16, 17 and 25. Then moving to the next exercise, that one is tick the correct option. What you have to do? Madam had given here option. Okay. Which one is correct? You just put a tick mark on the right word. Okay, children. Then first one, the boy is under or on the fan. The boy is under or on the fan. Where the boy? The boy is under the fan. So you put a tick mark on under. Next one. The birds are on or in the branch. The birds are on the branch. So, next one. The rat is on or near the hole. What will come here, children? On will come or near will come? Near, no? So, you have to put a tick mark on near. Then, next one. The fish is near or in the water. Where the fish you are seeing? In, no? So, you will put right mark on in. The pot is on or under the tap. Where the pot we are keeping? We are keeping the pot on the tap or under the tap. To take out the water, we are putting the pot under the tap, not on the tap. So we will put a tick mark on under. See, next one. The eggs are in or on the nest. Where the eggs are, children? The eggs are in the nest. So, next one. The hat is on or in the head. What will come, children? The hat is on the head. So, you will put a tick mark on. Do you understood, children, how you have to do? These three exercise you have to write in your English copy. Okay, see. Okay, children, thank you.